Hello students, once again welcome to our English class. Yesterday we had started with Unit 1.4 Revati's Musical Plan. Now to continue further, we are going to start from where we had ended. The next point, that is, the organizers were not convinced. Convinced means whatever explanation Revati gave, organizers did not listen to them, or they did not agree with her explanation. They said, "How can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant." Means the organizers were not ready to accept that these plants which the lady had submitted is her potted plant, because this lady was regularly the participant of the competition which was held in their colony. How can we doubt her? So organizers had a question in their mind that how can they doubt when she is a regular participant? How can she cheat anybody? Revati wondered how to convince. How to convince means how to make them realize or understand what she was telling was true. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. So, when she sat there thinking that how she can convince the organizers at that time, an idea struck into her mind that these plants, these potted plants, were music lovers, and when she played the violin, these plants bent towards her. She told the organizer that she could prove the plants were her. So she convinced the organizer that she will soon prove that these plants were hers. She ran home, and when she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. So everybody started laughing. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. Their ridicule means they were making fun of her by laughing, did not deter her, means it did not discourage her mind from her mission. Mission means the task which she had made, which she had decided that these plants belong to her, that she wanted to explain it to everybody. So this mission was in her mind, and she did not mind anybody making fun of her. She did not get discouraged by them. She told them, "I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them." So, this is how she tried to convince the organizers. They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. So, but naturally, we never know whether the plants really enjoy music or not. We have never experienced all such things. So, but naturally, the organizers and other people, they started laughing. They asked her, "Do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music?" So they asked her, "Do plants have an ear to enjoy music?" No one believed her. So no one was ready to accept what truth she was telling. No one believed her what she was telling. She felt very dejected. Dejected means she was very disappointed, but was determined to win her plants back. She was determined. Determined means she was having a firm opinion that she is going to get her plants back for her. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga, Mohanam. Engrossed in her music. Engrossed means what? She got completely involved in the music. Revati even forgot her plants for a time. So she forgot where she was sitting and for whom she was playing the violin. She forgot everything. But the others could not. With wonder in her eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly. They bent slightly As she played on and on, their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. So it is a miracle. So complete miracle. These stems, these leaves, they started bending, they started touching to Revati. The organizers were stunned. Stunned means surprised, astonished, and amazed. They had watched a new phenomena. Phenomena means what? Phenomena means a new occurrence or a new concept which they could wonder of plant responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. So Revati had discovered something very, very new. They all applauded. Applauded means started clapping, showing their praise. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. They were convinced that these plants, spotted plants, belonged to Revati. They pulled up her neighbor for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument. They pulled her. Pulled her means what? Pulled up means what? Pulled up her means what? To tell someone that he or she has done something very wrong. After long argument that she had stolen Revati's plant. So this lady, after long argument, she accepted her mistake. She said she had stolen the plants. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plant and had removed the pot in the night to her house. So at night, when in the daytime she saw it, and at the night she went and she took away those spotted plant and she kept in her house, and morning she later submitted it for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. So no one could doubt her because she regularly participated. The authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. So students, with this I hope you have understood the lesson. The lesson that even the plants, they have their sensation. They can show their happiness through the way of their movement. This is how we have completed with the lesson, that is Revati's musical plant. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Let us meet in our next audio lecture. Till then, thank you.